In this video, we'll explore the Avira Password Manager, examining its features, user experience, and ideal user. Product links are in the description. The Avira Password Manager securely stores and manages your passwords. It generates strong, unique passwords for every account, minimizing data breach risks from weak or reused passwords. This manager boasts features like password encryption, biometric login, and secure data syncing across devices. Your passwords are safe, accessible, and give you peace of mind. The clean, intuitive interface is easy to set up and use. Manually add passwords or let Avira automate it through its Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browser extensions. Securely store credit card details and personal information for complete security and convenience. Who is Avira for? Anyone struggling to remember complex passwords or wanting effortless online security. Whether you're a business professional, student, or simply privacy-conscious, this tool offers robust, easy-to-use protection. The free version offers basic features, while the premium version adds advanced encryption and multi-device syncing. Avira is a reliable, user-friendly option for securing your online presence with robust features, ease of use, and cross-device syncing. It's a strong contender for anyone seeking greater protection and convenience. Check the description for details and pricing.